I'm just filming. So,
Hvorfor? Jeg havde godt med handsker på.
there's a bird. There's a bird in the box. It was outside our the nest. We put some fruit in it, but the bird's right there. I was excited. Don't know why. Oh yeah, I came home. Ah, he took a shit. Oh, stress shit, probably. Hey. Hey. Hi. Oh. And Brian's out there. Birds, John. Oh, shit! Durr. Oh, no! Go. Go, Bella. Go. Third is in here. It's a mixture of bird and turd. Third is in here. Alright.